Hey guys, welcome back. Eileen with Wizard Labs again for another drink, and this one is called the Corona Killer. So it has nothing to do with coronavirus going out there right now. It's just called the Corona Killer because there's Corona beer in it. Okay, so here we go. It takes 2 ounces of pineapple juice in your shaker. Throw some ice in your shaker too. Almost forgot. And then we're gonna go with 1.5 ounces of tequila. That's a 6 count. And then 1 ounce of Grenadine. So, it's like 4 count. Slow 4 count. There we go. It's pretty easy. And then we're gonna go with Capella lime flavor. We're gonna use 3 drops, 3, and 3 drops of Capella raspberry. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then we're gonna shake it up. It's pretty easy drink to make. You're gonna grab your beer glass, preferably chilled, put it in the freezer for like a good 10 minutes, and pour that right out into your glass. And you can, I like to pour it with the ice and add a little more ice. There we go. And then we're gonna top it with Corona. And here is your Corona Killer. And you can garnish it with a nice piece of lime off to the side like that. There you go. Cheers, guys.